but not so much for her birthday, but then again for her birthday she wanted the Mustang, Dad's bike, and Dad's truck started. All three of these were gifted to me after Dad's passing. So it's been about 3 weeks since the vehicles have been started. So they're why not over here today. Getting started up. Oh yeah, number one, Chubbs.
Can't forget about Mayfield either. Mayfield.
Oh yeah, Mayfield. You know it's a race car with batteries in the back. I'm gonna go back here and shower or stay in one spot the entire time.
Try not to hit anything with the brace.
Nothing special. This is all how it was when Dad bought it. So, tender looks good. Truck battery. And since I'm over here now, I'll go ahead and grab the truck battery.
Yeah, I'll hook it up.
Whoa, I stuck my hand on that bike. That'll knock me out.
Dad's bike hanging up right there. Everyone hits their head on it. Even this guy. As you know, you can find me at Row Racing Motorsports at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And you can find this pretty little thing Hi guys.
at Dark Angel.
Nope. BLK
I'm
Angel.
sorry, Black Angel. Change the name. Black Angel Motorsports. And I'll put the link in the description, either somewhere over here or down below.
It's BLK Angel Motorsports. It's on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
And for those of you who are wondering, this is a 1992 Chevy Silverado Sport. It is all original. It's actually in very nice condition. Dad kept it and trying to get the best visual you can. I kind of wish the camera had a light on it. It'd be kind of nice if it did.
That's coming soon.
But you can see how nice Dad kept
Nice
everything.
and clean. We'll clean it up in the summer, spring.
So,
Here, you take this and I'll get the truck.
okay.
Might need an 8 to get this one tight.
I'd probably just do it hand tight, just for starting purposes.
See if I can get the old truck keys out. And you know it's an older truck, and you gotta have 2 keys, one to start, one to open it. And there's a brace.
New decals will be in soon.
Yes.
A whole new design.
Same design.
Same design, different platform. Instead of individual letters, it's gonna be all one solid piece. It's much nicer. starts up, then you go ahead and hit the fan. Big booty. Go ahead and when you do it, it might die at first. First or second time, then you give it a little bit of gas. Cold start. Right here. Did I hook it? I did, didn't I?
Yeah. There. Can't start the Mustang without the battery hooked up.
Hey.
Oh. All right. There. There you go. All right.
Okay guys, so this is my dad's Hardley Sportster. I don't know the year. It is a candy apple paint job with the ghost flames. I figured it'd be best if I give you guys a look at it thoroughly before I started it up, because it's loud. It has Vance and Hines pipes. It's a gorgeous bike. Right here, it looks like a mess, but that's where we're charging from. And see if you can see it there, Vance and Hines. There she be.
It's a 2006.
Oh, okay. It is a 2006 Sportster.
Yep.
I think it's a Sportster, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. It's pretty silent on the. The name of it. And the seats are made by Mustang as the brand. Yeah, crazy, right? Mustang. So, yeah, I'll start it for you guys. Key first.
Here.
Yeah, thanks.
Ooh, bright light.
The choke is still on because it is so cold out.